Imagine yourself in this 2009 Chrysler Aspen Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are electronic stability control, power door locks, rear window defroster, driver illuminated vanity mirror, speed control, passenger door bin, stability control, bumpers, body color, and keyless entry. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.